We are making Cynful bacon cheddar potato salad today. We're going to start with our bacon. We're going to cut it in half and then stack it, cut it lengthwise, and then cut it into small pieces across the grain. Go ahead and put it in a nice hot pan, and we're going to cook this until it is just getting crispy. Go ahead and remove from the pan and set aside. Now we have our mayonnaise, our mustard, pickle relish, chili powder, garlic powder, all those dressing components. We're going to stir those until they're nice and smooth. Move it to a larger bowl. Now we have our mise en place. All of our stuff cut up and ready to go. Add our celery and onions and parsley. Stir that in until it's well combined. And then add your chilled potatoes. We're going to fold those gently. We don't want to break them up until they're all nice and coated. Now we're adding our eggs and our bacon, and we're going to gently fold those in as well. Now we're down to our cheese. We're going to go ahead and add our cheese. And we're going to stir that until it is dispersed throughout the potato salad. Nice and gentle. Again, we don't want to break up those potatoes. Now taste for flavor. And if you need a little salt and pepper, go ahead and add that at this point and fold it in. There is a link to a printable PDF file in the description. But I'm going to give you the recipe anyway. I would like to thank you for joining me today in my kitchen for this wonderful potato salad. Please like and subscribe. And as always, have a wonderful day.